Morning routine. Good morning.
Good morning.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am brushing my teeth.
I need to take a shower.
I need to take a shower.
Where is my toothbrush?
Where is my toothbrush?
Breakfast is ready.
Breakfast is ready.
What would you like to eat?
What would you like to eat?
I am having tea.
I am having tea.
It's time to get dressed.
It's time to get dressed.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk.
Don't forget your water bottle.
Don't forget your water bottle.
Around the house. Please clean the room.
Please clean the room.
The floor is dirty.
The floor is dirty.
Where are the keys?
Where are the keys?
I am folding the clothes.
I am folding the clothes.
Switch off the lights.
Switch off the lights.
Open the windows.
Open the windows.
This room is too hot.
This room is too hot.
Can you close the door?
Can you close the door?
I am sweeping the floor.
I am sweeping the floor.
The dishes are in the sink.
The dishes are in the sink.
Kitchen. I am cooking dinner.
I am cooking dinner.
Pass me the salt, please.
Pass me the salt, please.
Do you want some more?
Do you want some more?
This tastes delicious.
This tastes delicious.
I will wash the dishes.
I will wash the dishes.
Be careful, the stove is hot.
Be careful, the stove is hot.
Where is the sugar?
Where is the sugar?
The fridge is empty.
The fridge is empty.
Let's make a cup of coffee.
Let's make a cup of coffee.
The food is in the oven.
The food is in the oven.
Family conversation. How was your day?
How was your day?
I am feeling tired.
I am feeling tired.
Let's watch a movie together.
Let's watch a movie together.
Can you help me with this?
Can you help me with this?
Please wait for a minute.
Please wait for a minute.
Don't shout, speak softly.
Don't shout, speak softly.
I need some rest.
I need some rest.
What's the plan for today?
What's the plan for today?
I will join you in a moment.
I will join you in a moment.
That's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
Evening routine. It's time to relax.
It's time to relax.
Let's have dinner together.
Let's have dinner together.
Can you set the table?
Can you set the table?
I will clean up later.
I will clean up later.
The TV remote is on the sofa.
The TV remote is on the sofa.
Time to read a book.
Time to read a book.
I need to check my phone.
I need to check my phone.
Let's turn off the lights.
Let's turn off the lights.
Good night, see you tomorrow.
Good night, see you tomorrow.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.